Kitana, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Kirtana. I have 2 years of industry working experience as a QA engineer. And my role primarily involves in end-to-end testing activities, including manual and automation, within an agile environment. And since joining the organization, I have been actively involved in writing and executing test cases during various testing phases like feature testing, regression testing, string-based validations, and all. So, whenever applicable, I convert manual test cases into automated scripts. So, for automation, I follow predefined libraries and framework structure set up by senior automation engineers. Based on that, I contribute by writing automation test cases, executing them, and generating test execution reports. I participate regularly in agile ceremonies like daily stand-ups, sprint planning, review meetings, and all. And technically, I have a solid understanding of Selenium WebDriver with Java, basic experience with TestNG, Cucumber, and and I'm currently expanding my skills in backend test automation as well. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Great, wonderful. So can you tell me what is the difference between a hash map and hash set in Java?
Hash map and the hash ref. Sorry. Okay. Uh, hash map. Uh, hash map. It implements map interface, uh, and it stores data in the form of key value pairs. And hash set, it stores only unique values, no keys and all. And
Okay. Can
yeah,
you write a simple program using hash map?
yeah,
Can you
sure.
share your screen? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
A lot of practice you have done, it seems.
yeah. What do I have to do now? Like,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you can print these two values, take two or three more values, more
Okay.
set of values, and then print them.
It's done, Rakesh.
Okay, so you're getting this as an output. Fine. So now, let's say you have a list of items like this. Okay, I have sent in the chat box. You have a list of items like Alice, Bob, Charlie, Alice, Bob, like that. It is repeating. So can
Mm,
you write a program on headset to remove the duplicates from this list?
yeah, try.
Hmm. Can you share your screen?
No, not sure.
Yeah, it is not getting shared.
Yeah. So
Okay, great. Fine. Can a hash map have null keys or values?
it can have null value, but not
Mhm.
null. It supports only one null key,
It can have null values.
but supports only one null key.
Okay, one null key and multiple null values, you mean?
Yeah,
Okay, fine. Let's say you want to compare two lists and you want to find the common values. So which will you use, hash map or hash set?
sorry.
Let's say you have to compare two lists and you have to find the common values out of them. So what would you use, hash map or hash set in that case?
I don't know.
No problem. See, whenever you want to compare two lists, right, and you want to find the common value, so you can go for hash set in that case, right? It will retain the common values only. So that is also possible. Let me share that code with you, right? So when you write this kind of program, right, so you'll get set of string list one of set. Let's say you are creating the hash set, okay, equal to new of hash set. Now list one set, this is your object dot retain all of list two. So it will keep only common values, right? So you can use hash set in this case. Right.
Okay.
Okay, great. Uh, Fine. What is the purpose of having super keyword in Java?
Okay. So for it
Hmm.
is due to like
Mm-hmm.
yeah, just give me a
Take
minute.
your time. Take your time.
Super uh means it is a reference variable which is
Mm-hmm.
used to refer immediate parent class object. Yeah, whenever we create the instance of a subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by the super reference variable.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So it is used to refer to the immediate parent class things, right? Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the purpose of this keyword in Java?
This keyword, it is also a reference variable that refers to current current object, and this can be used to invoke current class method, and this method is used to invoke current class constructor. And
Okay. So can you
uh,
write one program on using this keyword?
yeah,
Yeah, you
sure.
were telling something. You were telling something.
And this can be passed as an argument in method call.
Mhm.
This method can be passed as an argument in constructor call.
Okay, great, great. Can you share your screen? Let us see this keyword.
Hmm. I'm not sure. Sorry. Uh,
So you can use a new program. You can take a new program. No need to use the same program, right? I think you will get then some errors you might get, some random errors. Take a new class.
I just copy them.
Mm-hmm.
Then,
Okay, can you explain? Sorry, can you explain this program?
yeah, sure. Uh, First, we'll create an instance variable and we give name and I'll give the value 10 and I'll create a method. In that, I'll pass a parameter.
Take your time. Yeah. So you have taken one instance variable,
Yes,
integer a equal to 10. Then you have a method in which you have taken the parameter, this dot a equal to a. Okay. Now when you are printing p dot m1 of 5, so what it is printing? It is printing 10.
no.
So what value is it printing?
The value which I passed in the main method.
Main method. Okay. What if I want to get that 10 value? What would I do in that case? Hmm.
We'll use super method.
Okay, so can you implement that? Okay, first run this program. First run this program.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now I need the 10 value which is mentioned at the line number 4. You're getting my question?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I'm not remembering that name.
Okay, no problem. No problem. That's totally fine. Fine, this is good. You are able to write this keyword. Okay, so now you can stop sharing your screen. Yeah. Can you tell me what is encapsulation?
Encapsulation.
Hmm.
It means to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from the user.
Hmm.
We must we use encapsulation. To achieve this, we declare class variables as a private, and we have to provide public get and set methods to access and update the value of private variables.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is this private? Which are the different access modifiers that you are aware about, and what is the
Pub-
difference between private and default? Yeah. Please go ahead.
we have four access modifier. public, private, default, and protected.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Private access modifier can be accessed only within the class.
Mm-hmm.
Default access modifier can be accessed within the class and within the package.
Mm-hmm.
Protected can be used within the class, within the package, and as well as outside the package by subclass only.
Mm-hmm.
Public can be accessed within the class, within the package, outside the package by subclass, and also outside the package as well.
Public can be used anywhere.
Huh?
Public, yeah, public, when you give something as public, it can be used anywhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me, what are the different types of variables in Java?
Uh, Instance variable and local variable.
Hmm. Okay. What is the difference between the two?
Instance variable, uh, instance variable like is it is created inside the class and outside
Hmm.
the method,
Hmm.
and it does not get memory at the compile time, but it gets memory at the runtime when an object instance is created.
Hmm. Okay. And
Yeah.
how about local variable?
It is a local method. It is applicable for that one particular method. If we
Hmm.
try to access that method, we will not. It will show a compile time error.
Okay.
Instance variable can be accessed anywhere inside the class.
Correct. Correct. Okay. Okay. Great. Kirtana, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
How was my performance?
Yeah, it was good. You were able to write the first program on hash map. Then you were able to write on hash set. The this keyword also you were able to write. The super keyword, I think you got a bit confused. It was just one program you were unable to write, but rest of the programs were good. Even you were able to answer the questions properly, right? So I think it was good, right?